A very warm welcome back to Team Sport Acton here on the grid, preparing for our reverse grid race for my birthday. We rented out the entire track here today, so let's have a look at our grid start. Starting in P number 6 after winning our first race is Paulo Nunes Aranda. He is my best friend and he is a legend. I'm in P number 5 after coming second in the race. We have Lachlan in the white helmet there. Starting in P number 4, we have Tio in the black helmet, starting in a very comfortable P3, and in P number 2 we have the Icelandic speed demon Mr. Eric Williams himself doing a lovely P2 start, and we have Mr. R-Man, who has never gone karting for, in the front row and number 1. Things are heating up here as we are waiting for the lights to go green, and let's see where we can end up here on this beautiful little race. And that's 5 lights out. And it's lights out and away we go here at Team Sport Acton. We have a good dive down the first corner, overtake Lachlan, and we're alongside Eric into the first corner. We make the move on him and we're up into P3 already. Tio had a great start there and is up into P2, and R-Man is struggling and fighting for his life over there in P number 1. Mr. Paulo has a good run down us on the inside, but he doesn't quite have enough speed, and we're now right on the tail of Tio as we come powering down the straight. Paulo is on our right hand side and the outside, and we do manage to hold the position for now as we do get a little bit slowed down by Tio. Paulo is up and he's made the move happen up the inside. What a great move. He is absolutely storming ahead. Paulo, like me, has flown through the pack and is right in the mix of the battle right now. Coming down the ramp, I look down the inside. We do manage to send an overtake down the inside, but can we make it stick? As we chase down Tio here, Paulo's back alongside us on the right-hand side. Basically an identical move. Let's see if we can hold the position here this time. And we do manage to hold the inside line, and that's up the ramp. And Tio is into P1 here to lead the race. We have a lovely little overtake on R-Man, but unfortunately, because of his little bump there, I choose the outside line and get stuck behind him, and Paulo goes for another overtake. What a move. And then we get overtaken by Lachlan as well. This is an incredible start, but we've just lost down a couple of positions, but it's fine because he gets bumped a little bit and we go back up into P number 3. We got right behind Armour now. We dive up his inside up the ramp, and we do manage to make this move stick as we go around this first corner. Heavy braking to plant ourselves on the apex, and we've made that move stick, and we're now going right hand side to try and chase down Paulo. But out of nowhere, here comes Lachlan with the faster speed down the ramp. I think my kart died there for a second as I managed to switch back on him though, and we're getting in front for this left-hander, which means we've got that position taken. That was a good move and a good little lunge down the inside by Lachlan. As we come flying up the ramp here, I'm noticing one quick thing, and that is Paulo is steaming ahead. We might be seeing the positions for the rest of the race, which means we will get a P2. But after one red light, Tio is still in front of me and Paulo. Paulo tries to make the move happen on Tio there, and it doesn't quite pay off. So as we come flying down the ramp here, right on Paulo's tail, this is going to be a great battle here at Acton. But he's pulling away as he's pressed the boost button, and I used my boost a bit earlier. And we're coming into this left-hand corner. Paulo's got a little bit of run on Tio. Can he make a move up the inside? No, he's going to switch back to go behind him. But he makes a move down the inside. I bump Paulo out of the way, and we've got past Tio. Me and Paulo, P1, P2, brothers for life, and we are in the podium positions here at Acton. We are going to try and overtake Paulo our best, but I don't think it's going to happen as he has got a lot of pace here at Team Sport Acton. In fact, we're so equal, and he is so quick, and I'm so quick, that we actually stay in these positions for the entirety of this race. Unfortunately, this is how we end up. So we have had a P2 here at Team Sport Acton. I'm sorry this video is a little bit shorter. Quite frankly, we just stayed in this position for the entire race. It's about 3 or 4 laps later as we go to red here on the last lap for some reason. And we've gone to red. I'm right behind him. I'm like, what's going on here? But thank you guys so much for watching. Lachlan's behind me. Paulo's in front. That's P2. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you do like karting, and comment the word Lando Norris because he won an F1 race today, which is interesting. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.